Amber, hopping on to talk about how you or customers can find style advisors in a particular area. So, Abby and Anna makes it really easy. At the top of your website, you've got the party tab. And this is set up, the Find an Advisor tab is in parties because generally it will be a customer that is looking to set up a party that doesn't have an advisor link currently, right? So here's the party tab. If you scroll down, there's a Find a Style Advisor button. So whether you're a customer that wants to start a party, or say you are a style advisor that wants to team up with another style advisor for a vendor event or something special, you can go here to find your style advisors. So you can search if you knew the name of somebody you were looking for but just didn't have their link, if you're a customer that wants to have a party, you could also search by style advisor number. And then you can do search by zip code. 49. Oops, and I typed it in wrong. Wow, slow motion typing today. Sorry, guys. And click search. So if you want to find somebody near you, type in your zip code and it will pull up the people in that area. So here we go. I see me right here. I see Autumn's got a cute picture here with her girls. And then there's a few other style advisors as well, so you can choose. So if you were looking for a particular style advisor and you are a style advisor, I would then just take the names of these people and plug them into either Facebook or one of our exclusive Facebook pages to find these people and reach out. So that's where you would stop if you are already a style advisor and looking for another friendly style advisor. If you were a customer that was looking to set up a party, you would continue